Live for God Studio Productions. Hands and Feet of Jesus KC.
Secret stash.
Yes!
Photo bomb. I think I was.
Hey, you want a cat?
I know, I just wanted one.
Yeah. That's alright. I was just having them, but somebody else can have them.
We dropped it at
Hey, you know what? You can go up and that film and your shoes up and check those out.
Hey, Max, what are your guys' colors?
Somewhat of one. Dude, I love those shoes.
They got a knife.
I don't have one on. Pro violation.
Wouldn't be.
Hit me again. Comfy.
Yes, they are. They're like freaking slippers, dude.
I can run around on all my stairs. Comfy. That's the hardest thing to find is comfy shoes.
Oh. Chris.
Yeah.
Coming at you, dude.
Ooh, white. And peroxide, if you have it. I made it over without dying.
I got alcohol wipes, no peroxide. Donuts.
Oh my god.
I gave Country 2 big old cakes.
You probably ate one of them by
But
now.
More than likely.
But they don't put nothing on donuts. Right now. I cannot get enough of donuts. Use a pair.
Hey, how do you feel about cooking dinner again?
Yeah. I love to cook.
It's froze, but you're gonna
That's okay.
have to thaw it out.
He likes it. That's what
Got bread.
Got bread.
How many cats do you have? There's about 12 of them.
Bread.
Do you need cat food? Oh, they're pink. Yeah. You have any more cat food? They actually, the cats actually monitor the little one, that one. She monitors. They're just as good as his dog.
She needs another bag and a couple more arms.
Yeah, we're trying.
Cat food.
Cat food.
Anyway.
do their laundry or dishes, this is how they do it. This is the drain off from the bridge. They'll put a bucket down here, and that's how they'll do their dishes or laundry or get water of what, whatever they need it for. But they've got each of these are sectioned off like apartments. I get this pillar to this pillar, you get that one. So stay out of my house is basically the way it is. This is kind of why they tend to run them out underneath here. They get fires going down there, and they get so hot that they get out of control. It'll start messing with the structure of the bridge and stuff. That's why they don't like anybody down here. What's up? So where are you at? You can walk down here, there's still a lot more down here. They're just mowing their stuff down. So we came down on I can't remember if it's a Saturday or a Sunday, with 3 trucks parked on the bridge and cleared his whole area, cleared everything out and moved to another camp down the road. Just handing stuff up and then moved him down, and then the next weekend the city came in and started dozing everybody and moving everything out of here just because it was so much drugs down here. It was ridiculous. Yeah, there's still, there's 4 more down there, I think. Yeah, this is the good thing about here is they're double out of the elements, because he'd have a tent and then he's got this bridge and then another bridge on top of him. So he didn't have to worry about the snow, rain, nothing like that. Their tents, they put up their tents, and then like the blankets, they put their tent up, they take blankets, especially moving blankets, and then they lay it over their tents, and then they take rope and wrap it around their tents. That's their insulation, like you have in your house. And then they would take tarps and put the tarps over the blankets to keep them dry. So, they got good ideas. I've learned a lot from these guys down here. There's some of these campsites down here that it's the high-tech camp. It's beautiful. It is so nice. It's clean. There's not a bit of trash anywhere. They have a generator, like a big 8,700 watt generator. All the tents have power. They have flat screen TVs in their tents. They use toaster ovens. That's what they use to heat their tents up. Don't allow drugs in there. If you get caught with drugs in there, you're gone. You're out of there. So they panhandle, they stand on the corner, but all their money goes to gas for the generator, food, they've got a microwave, So there's some of these guys that they got a good setup, but there's other guys that are just drugged out, just anytime, man, anytime anybody can line up like this. It doesn't take much.